The taste is succulent. Hi and welcome back. Are you ready for some stir-fry lobster with ginger and onion? Alright, let's do it. We need 2 lobsters, preferably female ones. Then you need some cornstarch. Then oyster sauce. We also use soy sauce. Then a bit of chicken powder, some pepper, and also sugar. And finally, we need onion, ginger, garlic, and green onions. Begin by giving the lobsters a nice cool bath. Yes, they deserve it. Right, then, oh boy, this is a cruise scene, but you need to kill it. And cut them in small pieces. Well, bite-sized pieces. Advice, you should keep the eggs separately because it can be messy. Now mix the lobsters with half cup of cornstarch. Mix it well. In a hot pot, add some cooking oil. Make sure the oil is hot using a stick. Now add the lobsters and fry them. Once done, take them out and dry them. Now cut the green onions in small pieces. Keep the roots separately. Then cut the onion in small pieces, of course. After that, you can cut the ginger also in small pieces. Now chop the garlic in very small pieces. In a small pot, mix 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of pepper. Finally, half cup of cold water or chicken broth. Then mix it and boil it. In a separate cup, mix 1 tablespoon of cold water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it well. Then add it to the pot. You can also add the lobster eggs if you like. Now, in the hot pan, add some oil. Then add the minced garlic. Stir a little bit. Add the ginger, onion, and onion roots. And mix it well. Now add the lobsters and the sauce. Stir it well. Finally, add the green onion leaves. And stir a little bit. That's it. Here you go. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious. Bon appetit.